the hardest gemstone, symbolizing eternity and purity. Its dazzling brilliance often represents precious love and commitment. Diamonds are composed of carbon atoms and are formed under high pressure and high temperature conditions. Ruby symbolizes passion and power, and its vibrant red color is associated with love and courage. Rubies are primarily made of aluminium oxide, and their red color is due to trace amounts of chromium. Sapphire represents wisdom and sincerity, and its deep blue color evokes a sense of calm and introspection. Sapphires are mainly composed of aluminium oxide, and their blue colors attributed to trace elements of iron and titanium. Amethyst is a crystalline quartz in colors ranging from pale lilac to a deep reddish purple. Symbolizes tranquility and wisdom, believed to enhance meditation and focus. Amethyst is a purple variety of quartz, with its red color derived from iron and aluminium elements.
Hey, Superman, are you ready to collect the gemstones? Great, but where should we start? The cat embrace city. Then let's go.
Sorry, I don't understand. Can you translate?
Okay, to which language?
English, of course.
Okay. Good morning, Uni Kitty. How are you?
Good. How about you, Uni?
Ça va bien.
Uni.
Okay. Fine. I'm good. By the way, did you hear about the volcano eruption?
What is it about?
Oh, it's about this.
Uni.
Fine. It's about how, Mount Fuji?
Yeah, the mountain in Japan.
See, it is erupted.
Uni.
Yeah, and thousands of baby gemstones came from it.
Wow.
And Master Diamond told us that we have to teach them. Can we teach them Nihongo, French, German, and in Spanish?
Uni.
Fine. We can teach them in Japanese, French, Chinese, and Spanish?
Of course.
I heard that the students are jade, lapis, etc.
Oh, but I have a question.
What is it?
How did the students even come from the volcano?
I don't know. Did you bring a phone?
No.
Ugh, Uni Kitty.
Uni.
Fine.
Wait, I did bring a phone.
Right. Okay, it says here that jade... Right, search it up.
Okay, it says here jade is typically green and is a symbol of good luck in Chinese culture, often praised as beautiful stone with no flaws. And it says here that jade is a metamorphic rock composed of quartz, feldspar, and nephrite. It also says here that lapis lazuli symbolizes wisdom and truth, and its deep blue color with golden flecks gives it a unique allure. Lapis lazuli is composed of silicate minerals, iron sulfide, and calcium iron sulfide.
Uni. Oh, okay.
We should research more about that sometime.
Sounds fun.
Yeah.
I can teach the students how to sing in Japanese.
Why don't we teach them other things as well?
Okay, sure.
Oh, I have to go now. Tiger eye possesses protective and balancing properties, and it is associated with confidence and courage. Tiger's eye is a type of fibrous quartz with its unique golden and brown stripes composed of silicate minerals.
We talked about volcanoes because we are interested in it. I'm Tiger's Eye. How are you today?